Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to temporarily disable our Instagram account, or let's say deactivate our Instagram account. So if you're looking out how, in this video we are going to demonstrate step by step. So let's just get started. You can start by opening up Instagram. For that, you need to open up Instagram or go to instagram.com. After that, you can go to your profile in the bottom right corner and access your profile page. Once this is done, you need to go ahead and access your settings and privacy. Look out for the menu icon in the top right corner and tap on it. And then once you go ahead and tap on it, this space opens up on your screen. From here, you need to go to the Meta Account Center. So tap on Account Center. And once you go to the Account Center option right here, there you'll be finding different options given. What you may do is basically scroll down and go to the section for personal details and tap on it. And once you go to personal details, here you'll be finding your contact info, your everything. You need to go to the option called account ownership and control and tap on it. And there you'll be finding the option for deactivation or deletion. You just need to go ahead and choose that option right there. After you choose that option, you can select up your Instagram account from the given option since we are deactivating that, and you need to select the first option, which is deactivating our account, which is temporary, the one we are looking for. Once you select that option, you just tap on continue. And after you tap on continue, you can tap on continue once again, because if you deactivate your Instagram account, it will deactivate all other profiles that are associated with it. And at last, you just need to go ahead and re-enter your password and tap on continue to confirm it up. Once you do so, that is how that will deactivate your Instagram once you confirm the process, and that is it. So therefore, everybody, if you'd also like to deactivate your Instagram account, this is the easiest method you can follow up. Just go ahead step by step and you should be able to deactivate your account. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.